Hello, this is Benjamin with Dealer Spike. This video will be covering how you change and modify your contact information and your business information. First, we'll go into the left-hand menu and click on Business Info, and then we'll go into Locations. The first page that you'll come upon is Details. This will give you the name of the business, the address, and general contact information down below in case you need to change that. Next, we have Sales and Lead Management. So here you have listed out every single form that your customer can fill out on your site. There can only be one email in the primary address, but there can be as many email addresses as you like down in the CC field. I would suggest going through these and checking to make sure that there is an email in each. Not every single form will be turned on and visible on the site as different industries differ. Next, online scheduling. Now, this is just a basic tool to get a lead form. When someone gets onto your services page and you give them the option to schedule an appointment, it doesn't actually schedule it. What it does is it allows them to pick a day and approximate time that they would like for that particular service, and you can set up how much notice that you want, maximum appointments to take per day, and if there's any holiday dates that you want to exclude in which you're not going to be open or just not taking appointments. And when you get onto your services page, you can add and edit the actual services that you want to be schedulable through the website. And like I said, this isn't a true scheduler where they go through and schedule an exact date and time. It's just to get an approximate of when they want it done, and then she'll have to communicate through email in order to get that final time worked out. And if you do have a third-party scheduling software, you'll be using that instead. We'll jump back to details. And this is all I have for this video. Until I see you again, thank you very much for your valuable time.